So hello everybody, I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video, I will be telling you how can you create AI videos. So this is my AI avatar. You can see I have created my avatar, which means I don't even need to record my videos again and again. If you are a freelancer, service provider, coach or consultant, or you are a beginner, you want to build your brand on Instagram, on social media platform, but don't know where to start, so this would be much better to you. So in order to create videos, I'm using this software, online software called Heygen. Let's know about the pricing of this. The number one thing is unlimited creation, which has helped me a lot. So unlimited creation means you can make thousands of videos, thousands to 2000s of video. Imagine, even you cannot, if you want to make money by yourself, if you are a digital marketing agency as well, right? You can create AI videos for others and you can charge them up to $500 as well a month. You can say, I will be creating 30 days of content of yours. Every single day you will be getting new content through AI, and then you can start $500 per month. And in this way, you can make $5,000 as well. So this is the skill which mostly people don't tell, but I'm telling you that people are making a lot of money. If you don't trust me, let me go to fiverr.com, and after that we can search here. Let me sign in first here. So I'm signing in. So after that I will search AI videos. Okay, AI videos. The moment I will search, here you can see 3 months, this person is charging $200. So what this person will do, this person will create 3 months of AI videos, faceless videos, AI. So you can see, so this is the video. So 100% unique video made from scratch. So AI videos this person will create, and this person will charge $200 only. And this person will manage 3 months of faceless videos, AI history, TikTok shorts. So you can also do this. You can create 180 videos, or you can create 6 months of content. You can create 100 videos as well, like this, and you can sell your service here. So I'm giving you the real way to make money, not by selling courses. Courses is a good thing. Mostly people, I don't know why they say courses are the scam, but courses are not scam. So basically, courses teaches you the step-by-step process. You need to implement the stuff. Okay, if you will not implement, what will happen? You will not see any results. You need to put the action. I have seen so many people, why they are failing again and again in online business, due to lack of consistency, and they don't even trust themselves. You need to believe in yourself if you really want to grow in life. So what you need to do in order to create video, so let's talk about the pricing. So currently I am using this $29 per month. Okay, so $29 per month, it is providing me unlimited. For example, if you want to start by free of cost, so 3 video generation per month. So you can create 3 videos up to 3 minutes, one instant avatar AI. In free you can do this, but here you can see unlimited video generation, unlimited. Okay, video up to 5 minutes. If you want to create YouTube videos for your YouTube channel, still you can do that. Everything is free. 3 watermark removal, so there will be no watermark of Heygen. Fast video processing. So see, under $29, it will only cost you $29 a month, and you have a potential of making at least $2,000 to $3,000. I will definitely recommend you to go with the creator plan. And after that, let me close this. So in order to create it, so you can see create video, then there is a invite. So you can invite people as well, invite to work, collaborate, and create your team. You can also create your team if you are 2 people, and if you are want to refer, you can also refer that. Okay, So these are the workplaces you can add people. Multiple user workplaces are only available team and enterprises plan. So team and enterprises plan, so it is $89 per month, so you don't need to focus on that. So on the left hand side you will see project option. So project option is where your all videos would be there. Okay, and then on another one is the template. So these are the templates you will be getting if you want to create YouTube videos. So these are the video templates. Like this woman, you can click on this and you can see this woman will speak, and you can create a presentation with AI as well. It's very easy, and guys, this is a gold mine. You can make money from AI. So you can see, you can add your pictures here, and AI can also create presentation for you. Okay, so let me show you how to create it. Simple as that. Leave it. On the left hand side, avatar, you will see I have added one avatar. If you want to add your avatar, what you need to do, click on create avatar and click on get started. So there are two options, still or motion. Then you need to upload your 2 minutes of video. That is very, very important. So when you are uploading your avatar, what you need to do, you need to submit 2 to 5 minutes of footages which is required, and you can use high resolution camera as well. So if you will be having a proper good video, it will be much better. And then you need to look directly into the camera. Okay, so use generic work and keep hand below your chest. So you can see like you don't need to do a hand gesture. That will be much better, because I have seen so many people, even I was doing that mistake. Then there will be no synchronization. So we just need to speak, and it's very easy. And then click on next, and then you can upload your footage here. So when you will be uploading your footage, it will be much better. Okay, in this way you can create your avatar. So another one is AI voice. For example, if you want to clone your voice, right? If you want your voice, so I have two voices. I'm not sure if I can show you. Let click on share sound, and I hope you can hear this.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
So this is my audio AI. This is another.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it. Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
So we can get ID voice. We can also do collaboration stuff. So what you need to, then there is a brand kit. So what is a brand kit? So let me click on the brand kit first. Let me refresh it. So in brand kit, you can create new brand kit, but you need this plan. So just forget about it. Don't do anything. Then there is uploads. So you can upload your item. If you want to upload your recording, you can upload here. Then there is the integration. So you can also integrate with Canva. So you, in order to integrate, it's very easy. So here, use existing design or use new design. So click on it, because you can okay, so you can integrate this one Canva with additional information, use a new design, thumbnail, portrait video. We can write down YouTube, and then we can also integrate our Heygen with Canva. Maybe like I'm using it for first time, that's why. So you can see now in Canva we can do this. We can drag people, and we can like add this person here, and we can add script, and here audio, just upload your audio, and then it will create your AI video. Choose AI avatar. So these are the avatar you can add. I don't know why it's not working here. So this is the option just showing you. Okay, then there is a chat GPT plugin. So you can also plug in step by step hey generation guide. You can also plug in. So they have mentioned install and enable chat GPT. Like you should be having chat GPT 4 and then you can add this. So this is just a guide on how to connect these things. Okay. Now let's create it. Click on create video and you can see you will be getting a template. You can use template or you can create your first video templates as well. So you can choose these templates if you want. Another one is start with the PPT or PDF if you have any PDF, or generate script with AI. So you can generate the script as well. For example, topic is digital marketing or 5 ways to make profitable income online. English tone professional. Okay, additional info and AI video tool with it. Additional, no, click on generate and now it's giving us the scene. Then click on create video, so it will create video, right? So you need to choose your avatar. Maybe it will provide me. So this is the avatar. So when you will click on avatar, you can use this one as well. You can see this lady. So this if I play this, it's loading, I guess, like it takes time. So you can see this is the woman, right? But we can also use our own.
Hello everyone. In today's video, I will be sharing.
She is not speaking right now because I haven't rendered that. So for example, I will be using this one. I will be using this AI avatar. So in order to use this one, so firstly I will be copying the script. Firstly we need a script. Okay, create video, generate AI with script. Professional, generate script. Okay, so now what you can do, you can copy this. After copy, what you need to do, again go to create AI, then scratch, click on use portrait and then drag this avatar here and then click here and then paste your script whatever you have. Then it's showing 2800 words. It should be 2000 words. So you can do this. Scene 5. Just remove this, otherwise the AI avatar will also speak these things, right? So you need to remove these things. Okay, after removing, you can see it's 2700 words, so I will be going to make it at least 2000 words. Okay, so now it will load, it will take time. Then you need to click here, then you need to turn off the watermark logo and then after that click on submit. So when you submit this, it will take maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes you will be noticing your AI video would be ready. Till that time I can show you another AI video which I have created, so that you will get a general idea how the AI video with the avatar looks like. Okay, so that will be much better. So this is the video, you can see. If I can play, let's see.
In a small town, there was a young man named Sam with big dreams but no clear direction. One day, he came across an ad promising, make $10,000 in 7 days with this course.
So the main problem was here, what I was doing, I was moving my hands, right? So you don't need to move your hands. And if you can notice, I was looking here and there, and you don't even need to look here and there. If you're uploading your avatar, you should be stick, you should be at the same position and keep on speaking. Otherwise what will happen, like these the visuals can be like this, right? It's look genuine, but sometimes it creates problem. So it is under process, you can see 6% ready. So I hope you guys love this topic. And if you are someone who really want to make money from AI, you can join my community. And you can text me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Priyanshu @Priyanshu coach. And you can text me there. And after that, I will be adding you in that community. So where mostly people will be using AI to sell products. So we will be providing you digital products which you can sell, which can be done for you AI videos, including so many videos like which you can sell, like digital products. And you can get traffic to your products by using these AI videos. So if you are someone who can do this, install this. And get the subscription of $29 per month. And after that, inform me, so I will be adding you in the group. If you will not install it and through the link, and if you don't have a pro version, I would not able to help you out. So wish you all the very best. I hope you will be creating same these AI videos. Bye bye, take care.